Cartagena, Colombia is so different from the rest of the country. Once a transport hub for the West African slave trade, it's transformed from its dark, painful past to these painted, rebellious walls. From the nightlife in Getsemani to sipping the smoothest Colombian coffee, this city is one of the most culturally interesting and exciting places to visit in the world. Here are the things you don't want to miss in the city, including a few cheeky food and drink spots. Number 1, start with a free walking tour. Now, if you follow the channel, I often recommend local free walking tours to orientate yourself when you get to a new place. But this is especially worthwhile here in Cartagena. It has such a complicated, rich history that a walking tour can really bring to life. Stories of the indigenous people, Spanish colonization, and Cartagena's dark role as one of the main slave ports of the Spanish Empire. Hundreds of thousands of enslaved people passed through these ports. That legacy still beats through the city today, not hidden in museums, but out on the streets, the art, the music, and in the faces of the people. Another top tip, just an hour away, San Basilio de Palenque was founded by those who escaped. It's the first African-led free settlement in the Americas, and it's a great place to visit on a day trip from the city. Number 2, explore the street art of Getsemani. From history to creativity, take a walk in Getsemani. We're really getting our steps in today. Once a working class neighbourhood, now the city's artistic soul. Every wall here tells a story. I love that the art here represents both political pieces and also the rich history of African culture represented here in Cartagena. And also see artists painting roadside. If there was ever a place to be inspired to create, it's here. Number 3, Plaza Trinidad. In the heart of Getsemani is Plaza Trinidad, and it's calm by day but completely transformed by night. As the sun sets, locals gather on benches, food stalls start sizzling, and the sound of salsa fills the air. It's full of travelers, families, and performers, with locals just hanging out and enjoying a drink. If you're looking for something with a vibe that feels local, then this is the spot. Number 4, coffee at Nia Bakery. For something less local, take a visit to my favourite cafe in the city, Nia Bakery. It has arches, tiles, and clay colours with the perfect light. It's a place that truly looks like a Pinterest board. It has specialty coffee, and it's a great spot to escape the heat and have one of their famous cookies and a cup of the world-renowned Colombian Joe. It's just amazing, isn't it? Yeah. Number 5, coffee at Cafe San Alberto. Nia Bakery is the best vibe, but the best coffee is Cafe San Alberto. And it is official, as it's Colombia's most awarded coffee shop. Colombian coffee is celebrated for its perfect balance. A smooth body with hints of caramel sweetness, bright touch of citrus, and a clean chocolatey finish.
Definitely tastes more like tea.
Really fruity, that is. At Cafe San Alberto, they've been refining their craft since 1972. And here brewing becomes performance.
Tenemos Arábica Castilla, 30%.
Try a coffee flight, tasting a few different blends and brewing methods to truly appreciate it. So we've got 2 Arabica coffees and 1 geisha coffee. It's coffee theatre at its best and one of the best coffees I've had in all of South America. Number 6, take a stroll in the old town to Calle de Jardin, one of Cartagena's most photogenic streets. It's difficult to choose because so many of the streets around here are really pretty, really colourful, unique architecture, with these pastel houses leaning into each other and balconies dripping with flowers. Take a stroll, pick your street, and get the perfect Instagram shot while shopping in independent boutiques where you can't afford anything. But it's still nice to look, right? Number 7, Arts and Crafts Market at Las Bodegas. The walk down Calle de Jardin will take you to Las Bodegas, an arts and crafts market tucked beneath the city's yellow arches. Once part of the old city wall storage area, it's now a vibrant market filled with art and handmade crafts. Our tour guide said that everyone who's selling stuff on the streets gets their stuff from here. So if you're planning on picking up some souvenirs, then come here to get them from the horse's mouth. I love that phrase. And get the best prices in the city. Like some of these crafts, these travel videos take a lot to make, so if you found this travel guide useful, then I'd really appreciate a like on the video, and if you could subscribe to the channel to support me making more travel guides, it would be mucho appreciated. Number 8, wildlife spotting in Parque Centenario. So here's a random one, but right in the middle of the city is a garden with some crazy wildlife. Like, it's a really interesting concept. Parque Centenario is a green escape with monkeys swinging overhead, sloths napping in trees, and iguanas crawling around. It's surreal to see wildlife like this surrounded by traffic and city life. It's a must-do here in Cartagena. Really easily accessible both from the walled city and from Getsemani as well. Number 9, sip cocktails at Alquimico.
That is so nice.
Cartagena is home to the 8th best bar in the world, and it's well worth a visit. A 3-story former colonial mansion turned into ultra-stylish cocktail bar. Each floor serves a distinct atmosphere and a different cocktail list, from Art Deco ground floor mixology to a roof terrace with DJs. Each floor has its own personality, and this spot has some of the best drinks and some of the most expensive drinks in the city. Número 10, Dance at Café Havana.
It's an iconic spot here in Cartagena called Club Havana.
The city's most famous Cuban-inspired salsa bar and a true institution. The moment you step inside, you're hit by the sound of live music brass, trumpets, violins and drums. The energy is contagious. Everyone's dancing shoulder to shoulder, mojitos in hand, and there's a smoky, old-world atmosphere that really gives you a feeling of what nightlife used to be like. The music is incredible, the dancing is incredible, and it's super packed. That is the only downside, but it's the best spot in the city at night and a must-see if you're visiting.
It was absolutely insane. Colombians know how to party.
Cartagena is culturally very rich. Whether it's coffee, history, art, or Instagram spots you're after, you can do it all and more. Make sure to subscribe, as I'm sure I've got another video that you'd like to watch.